and positive thought for a change. Or at least as positive as we can get anyway.
I've never fed you empty notes for a pathetic quote. Afore I'm anything else, I'm a messenger of poetic hope. The words I speak are a product in my environment. They live for being violent, for here to Northern Ireland. Why aspire to a casket for peace of mind? Give it time, you'll see greener pastures and those you leave behind. Hat after he who keeps balance through all the fighting. No respect for somebody whose greatest challenge is songwriting. I want a world where your children experience happiness, a place where you get high on life and love instead of cannabis. I want to be a catalyst to change and optimistic action. Keep my moral stance but help unite any conflicted faction. I seek political prowess and courtroom strategy, and sometimes I imagine me carrying the globe on top of me. You laugh at me, but I put my beliefs before my vanity, and I believe in our capacity to change humanity. Sculpted my mind and my body to practice what I'm preaching. Stay solely focused on a goal they say I'm never reaching. We need reform and equal sharing of the wealth. I'm at peace because I serve a cause much greater than myself. Principles and values, you don't need weapons to fight for decency. Just try and keep your soul as a war against terror execute. My home's a place that's void of hope, where attitudes refuse to change, and residents patrol the streets with sharpened tools they use to maim. We lose the game. I see the error in your stubborn ways. I've dedicated all my time and energy to cover the case. I'm in the business of people and what compels them to have no compassion for their fellow man and wish their health away. I don't go chasing accolades and fancy memorabilia. I'm about artistic expression that I can make a meal of. No one to getting caught up in yesterday's dead events. I focus on the present tense and mend a fence with recompense.
To you I'm like this hero with no equal, no other people even come quite near to you. Be daddy, know they're feeble in comparison. It's challenging, being the man you need to cuddle up to, look up to. So I use the things I've been through as a template, a guide, full of pride as I stray towards that moment warm inside. You chose to confide in me, your father. I would rather face the world in this palaver. I would rather be even louder than watch your tears gather. It's weird. See myself in that position when been living 29 years, only been alive for 8 of them. When I'm not with you, I feel so far apart. When you're sleeping and I kiss you and I leave, it breaks my heart. On the drive home, my main road can't help but feel empty. Scared you'll think that I've left you and hold it against me. I love you. In case someday I can't tell you, your name's on my back, your date of birth's on my belly. I'll never leave or deceive you, please believe that I need you. My life is a blueprint, all the things that I've been through serve the purpose of insight from the morning to midnight. If they try to get fly, I'll down them in mid-flight. If life gets too much, I'm at the touch of a button. My only loyalty's to you, I can ease any burden that you're feeling. Never leave you needing or pleading. Even if they leave me bleeding, I'll still never be beaten. You'll never see me retreating. I'm always competing, entangled in the fabrics of life. I'm superseding my own expectations, building relations. I'm a soldier of fortune, standing at my station, and here I'll remain. Roaming in the dungeon with the reprobates who only think of slashing and plunging, but I do it with a smile, some paper and a pen. Cause from here, if you ever slip, I'll lift you up again.